आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन दिस। पहले जितने भी टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट थे वो सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी के यूजेज को जीरो कर रहे थे। मीनिंग पहले आपका अकाउंटिंग का सॉफ्टवेयर आया तो अकाउंटेंट का काम अकाउंटिंग का सॉफ्टवेयर ज्यादा कर दिया। एआई इज ईटिंग दैट रोल इटसेल्फ।
Yeah.
So the term there will be a news of a robot killing a human. There will be a news of robot killing a robot. There will be things like robot बच्चे पे गिर गया बेचारे को मर गया या
And which is quite possible.
how you prompted it, what kind of parameters you have given. So it's still human. It's still human, but the techniques and tricks you don't have to do. You don't find founders. You have relationship with people, and you see somebody wants to do something, and you get together. It is not a hunt like you need to know enough good people, enough good networks, where you connect first as a human. You have friendship, and then you think like, yeah, it's a good person to work with, and something comes out of it. So networking लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई networking event में जाओ और it's like, and Indians are pretty bad at it. Sorry to say. वो जाते हैं, oh what do you do? पहला कहते आप क्या करते हो? Oh I do this. Okay okay, here's my card. Yeah, thank you, bye bye. अरे क्या करने आए हो? सिर्फ कार्ड बेचने आए हो? Like literally I get frustrated. So whoever has watched this, don't come to me if they want to just give me and the card and go. Just think and read. अभी क्या हो गया है, even with me, so much information and knowledge is out. आप 80% समझने में लगा देते हो, एक्शन 20% भी नहीं लेते हो. It used to be 90% action because you did not have learning. So this is, I think, my theory, and it could be right or wrong, but
Okay, I would like to first introduce you, Nachiket. I have with me, I'm so grateful, I have with me Nachiket Patel. He is like a founder, not only a founder, I would say serial founder, technologist, architect, mentor, advisor, and have founded so many companies like Logic Wind, Capital, helping businesses with digital solutions and many digital solutions. Not only that, he's also the co-founder of Brahma Veda, which is, AI innovation for multiple businesses. Then he's also the founder of DigiQC. Not only that, he's also the co-founder of iCowork, the first co-working space which started in Surat. So it's an honor to be with him, to understand the ideology, the vulnerability, the human behind so many brands. How did it all start?
there is also a why.
Sorry?
There is also a why.
There's also always a why.
Yes.
The why is taking us to all the places.
The reason I thought, it would be interesting to do this is there was I would say, push or a somewhat internal motivation to start sharing knowledge.
Yeah.
The one thing I lack is, I'm little bit of, I wouldn't say perfectionist, but I want to be much more polished at many places. And to get started, it kind of gets in the way. Although I've started, like you said, many things, but still I feel like whenever there is a aspect where I don't feel like I'm good at, too hard for me to start it. So like everybody else, it's very difficult for me to get started.
But still you started, and you were into not only software development companies, but also coming out of your I won't say comfort zone, in EV, in gaming as well.
Yes, we have a company.
What is the name of that company?
Super.
Yeah. So, it is hard for everyone, but being
correct. See, the thing is, all our tech, which is my
the common.
Yeah, you can say a very good skill. I love tech. I like to do things. I'm very comfortable with it.
Okay.
So, but if I go outside of my comfort zone, I'm like you said, everybody else. I couldn't even start. Let's say I had to shoot like a 3-minute video. It took me 3 hours, and it was just to submit to some sort of small group, not even a public group. So that's what it is. Like that's not my comfort zone, right? So I would think about it for months, and then I won't do it. But anyway, so just wanted to share that if you want to know like what I do, why I do, I started my website nachiket.in. I keep writing some blog. I
Uh-huh.
wrote 3 and I need some motivation. So if people sign up, subscribe at nachiket.in, it would motivate me to write more blogs. So
Blogs, what is the blogs about?
about it could be about anything, but would be very interesting. So I'll tell you the last blog was when it's I think 1 year ago.
Uh-huh.
Me and my daughter, I came to know about something called Suno, which can make you music and song out of your prompt.
Oh.
So I sat down in 3 minutes. I made a 3 minute song about Statue of Unity. I wrote a blog on it. So that's what it is about. So this is 1 year ago. So meaning that anything which is cutting edge, some idea. Another idea I shared, like now with AI, this startup is possible. If anybody is looking for like a really good idea to work on, this could be a really good idea. So I keep sharing what is happening, what is new, how people can use it. But I've only written 3 so far.
But you wrote.
But I want to write more. So I'm just telling publicly that
That's
if people sign up and I see familiar names, faces, 10, 15 people, 20 people, I definitely want to start sharing more there. I'm avoiding using social media though.
that is something which we it is a need, I would say, for the people to get the attention.
Correct.
Isn't it?
Yeah. So, but the reason I feel like it's no longer personal or no longer you don't feel comfortable doing that all the like it's all about either network sales, this, that, the net, like it should be, it's not intimate. So the blogs usually you can write about. So all I've seen the good people, they always maintain their blog. That's why I say, okay, whoever reads. Of course, I would share the link on LinkedIn, but the idea is it will be housed
in your
in-
website
yeah.
where Nachiket.in. Yeah, definitely. That's a great place to understand, to know about you.
Correct.
But Nachiket, I want to know about, let's go deep into the beginning.
Okay.
Like, when you were, I would say that, when you were in 10th, after 10th, it happens, we have to select whether we want to be in science or we want to be in
Yes.
commerce.
Yes.
And our parents,
So for me, you'll have to go a little back, but in short, what happened is, my dad is in medical field, professor and head of tech department in civil. So he had to transfer happens. It's a government job. So I ended up changing 7 schools and 3 colleges.
oh my God,
So I'm
even cities.
2 cities, Surat and Ahmedabad, twice.
Okay.
But the challenge in my life, I would say early stage schooling was I never had a home. After 9th, I'm in Surat in the same city. So that's why I love this city, because before that, of course, I was born in Ahmedabad, started my schooling there, but the switch were very disruptive at that age.
Oh, yeah.
And but anyway, like it's
Even
not,
the friend circle. Like,
yeah, exactly. School changes, friend changes. It was difficult, but after 9th, I found like home, like Surat. I
The
love it.
settle.
And one of the reason I am in Surat is because I love the city, people, family, friends. So that's one of the reason I like I have not been to Bangalore, US, anything. Is I think the quality of life and the work both we have to balance.
You have been to, I saw it from in your LinkedIn profile, like you were in San Francisco for 3 years.
No.
Oh, that was the company you were working remotely for. This is in SR, after SR,
Yeah,
somebody.
so I travel. I work with Bay Area company a lot in last 10 years. So I keep going there, coming back 2 months, 3 months here and there, 1 month, 5 days. Now I don't go much, but when we are a smaller team. I used to go quite often. But coming back to the
Question.
your question,
Yes.
journey.
The journey in, like, even
Yes.
choosing science, because what we have is our
So-
parents.
Yes.
For me, like, the parents are like, science लेना है, doctor बनना है, या तो engineer बनना है, तो ही life बनेगी. Commerce लेके, like, for the girls, but that is a mindset which society also has. So what was your reason of being into science and going for tech?
Yes. So I've seen medical profession,
Uh-huh.
doctors, because I used to live in a doctor's colony, the government quarters, like where
Acha.
housing.
Yeah.
So when I go to hospital with my dad and I see, I like, ये तो नहीं बनना है. That was I was clear. For some or other reason, I never like
Why?
medical field. Not sure, like just the like the
The
pain,
instinct,
the
yeah.
pain there you see, it requires certain mental to handle that. I appreciate doctors because we feel like बोल रहे business बना रहे ये कर रहे, but the pain they see every day is extreme.
Okay.
So I've seen that early age, so I was like,
Doctor नहीं.
that would be one of the reason. I don't
Yeah.
know, नहीं था interest.
हाँ, got it.
फिर the second thing I had a book, my dad brought it from library, was about floppy, about computer. I was in 6th standard,
Acha.
so that would be 1996 or something.
Okay.
And I really liked it, like wow, and I understood everything. So he was like, ये कुछ इसको ना मैथ्स पसंद है ना कुछ पसंद है, is seems interested in this line, let me support. So he put me in a like a local class or something. I excelled there. Then he got me like a very like bank used to sell that time old computers, floppy wala. All the Pentium and everything was there. So he got me like a very cheap one. I started स्कूल के टाइम टेबल का प्रिंट आउट्स मैं घर पे प्रिंट करके स्कूल में लेके जाता था पूरे स्कूल का because they did not have printer and I had some old printer from a bank. I print everything sub class, so things like that got me like that value. Wow, this is helpful. So my interest was computer from grade 7-8. That kind of triggered me कि यार computer करना है तो I have to get into science and I like science.
Yeah.
I always like science. I like physics. I like math. The challenge was, and around 10th standard, उसके पहले सब logical, the schools at that time or right now I am not sure, but they are much improved now. But never tell you the reason why this theorem or why this equation is like that. How do you use it in real world? So in education, I think 8-9 तक आपका ऐसा है कि you can connect it with real world. Your word problems are like that. यहाँ से आप ऐसे जा रहे हो, then you come back. This many kilometers are there. What happened? So you can apply what you learned, but after around 10th, at least what happened with me, one in derivation, integration, those things came in. I was like, how do I use this in the real world? And there was no answer from any of my teachers that time. I felt like I don't like this. Like that's how I stopped loving math, science, and other things.
Because it makes sense to you until and it doesn't make sense until unless you know the why.
Why?
Yeah. So the equations or the problems
so
always
things like that. I got disconnected honestly from a lot of studying in school, and I had a computer and some games. So you know what a kid does when he has a computer and games. I played a lot of games.
Yeah. So during that school time also, like, even in 11th, 12th, you were very sure that, computer is the field. And that's why you did the BSc and MSc in computer science, I would say. During that time, was it in your mind that, you are meant to be an entrepreneur?
No. Not at all. I don't know if I'm trying to recall like when that work really happened.
But then after,
I was like, I never had thought like, okay, I'll have a company and I'll be running a company. I'll have build products team. Of course, I wanted to build software because that's my passion was building stuff on computer.
Yeah.
But never as a entrepreneur I had a thought. If I had that, I would say that it's very important. Like we were talking about my daughter, and I was saying that why I'm making sure she understands strategy, design strategy. Yeah. Because for me it was like, okay, आगे क्या होगा? Never had any idea. Just wanted a good job in a good company.
Got it.
Got a job.
So after your bachelor's, you got a job, and that was in SR. Yeah. So what did you do? Did you do something differently? Like, than the other people? So many people start with a job, but very few people go ahead in terms of you want to?
It was never. I can like that. Those years were very formative years for me as in my career.
Okay.
So a lot of people come for advice. I would say at least 3-4 people a month from my network, friends, uncles.
Used to come
uncles,
for your advice.
Advice about like my
मेरा
बच्चा 12th खत्म हुआ क्या करवाऊँ, कॉलेज खत्म हो रहा है कहाँ जॉब लूँ, मास्टर्स करवाऊँ नहीं करवाऊँ, ये कॉलेज
Yeah.
जाऊँ, बाहर भेजूँ.
होता है.
So all those questions is like I'm a very good counselor on that. So I had a lot of friends, family બધા आके पूछ रहे हैं कि कैसे करना.
मेरे बच्चे के लिए, मेरे भाई के
So
लिए.
I have strong opinions,
Okay.
and I stand by those opinions. So I always say, never join a big company if you are not sure exactly आपको क्या काम दे रहे हो. आप अगर किसी कोई कंपनी उसको लिखवा के लो कि आप करने क्या वाले, और ज्वाइन अ स्मॉलर कंपनी, क्योंकि वहां पे आपको बहुत कुछ करना पड़ेगा ही. It's very important if you go to, let's say, any big IT services company, the top of the lines, they would have a very specific job for you, very narrow, और उनको आपको 3 साल वही करवाएंगे.
So true.
Usually, not
Yes,
for everybody it is.
True.
You are in.
Yeah, so when I did my internship in EMC Square, the scope was so narrow. That's when I had an option. I had an offer of EMC and I had an option of startup, जिसका Bangalore में base ही नहीं था. मतलब you know, it was starting the base. I opt that because मेरे को बहुत सारी चीजें सीखनी थी, explore. So I can completely relate to it. Yeah.
So if you go there, you will have a success, no problem. But what you want to do with it is important. So early on, I would say have options. You don't want to get tied down कि engineering खत्म हुआ और यही सीखा भी पूरी life में यही करना है. Technology is changing so fast, it's not gonna be the same. So why to even risk it? Or you know, it's time to learn. Like you need to understand more about your. So anyway, so my point was that one thing I always say कि get in a space where you are really uncomfortable and you get to do a lot. झाड़ू मारना भी पड़े तो भी चलेगा, बट वहां पे आपको आईटी का चैलेंजिंग वर्क होना चाहिए आपकी फील्ड का. सो वी हैड अ वेरी गुड 4 formative years
in SR.
It was never about job, never about. We were given a Herculean task to solve.
Okay.
And we were a small team of 4-5 interns and a professor. So professor left and joined the company as a so he was leading the team of 4 interns.
Okay.
And we really built one of the world-class solution in 4 years.
Oh my God.
16-hour days were normal. Normal. तो ऐसा था, ठीक है चलो आज सुबह 8 बजे आए, आज चलो कुछ नहीं, आज रात को 11 बजे तक काम करते हैं, फिर कल देखते हैं, फिर कल पता चला कि आज भी 11 बजे तक काम है.
What did you build?
Do you little remember? Technical, maybe I'll give you a brief. Yeah, so you see the coils on the road.
Yeah.
स्टील की कॉइल जाती है ना बड़ी बड़ी ट्रक में, एक स्टील रोल्स.
Okay.
इसका कॉइल्स, उसका इंटरनल ट्रैकिंग क्रेन से उसको उठाना पड़ता है, ओवरहेड क्रेन्स आती है, उसका पूरा मूवमेंट ट्रैकिंग डेवलप किया था हमने. सो वी हैड लेजर्स ऑन द क्रेन एंड कंप्यूटर्स ऑन द क्रेन एंड वी हैव अ 3D व्यू कि कहाँ पे कौन सा what inventory management बनाया था and planning.
Okay.
But for cranes and coils, it was a very different use case. So that was one of the key thing we built. So yeah, so I would say from that team of I think 7-8 people. So far 7-8 people, 4 are running companies.
Oh wow!
And all are running successful companies.
So वो passionately बनाने के बाद it triggered like you know then what happened?
Still not entrepreneur bug has bit me. Then I was working on forums, you know, communicating के technology wise ये ऐसा होना चाहिए. So one of the framework founder Jacob Jenko करके था, on his framework I commented कि this is not supposed to be like that. Like I argued you have done it wrong. In a good way, good note. So I said, you know, it should have been like this. So he said, no, my thought process was this. It's a technical project or framework.
You used to join certain communities while you were working in SR?
Of course.
No. So not everyone. So, you know, that is a kind of curiosity which you had.
Correct.
Okay. What were the communities over there you used? Was it LinkedIn or?
In the LinkedIn, I think there was LinkedIn 2008, 9, 10.
8. 9.
But very early. It's not, that's what I'm saying. What happens is people want to network, they go business.
हाँ.
You go technical. अगर आप photographer हो, you don't go where your clients are. Go where your photographer groups are.
Okay.
That's a counterintuitive thing.
Oh wow. हाँ.
लोग क्या करते हैं कि एकदम like you are not there to sell, you are not there to do business, you are there to actually learn, collaborate, operate.
Okay.
तो आप कहाँ जाओगे? फोटोग्राफर्स की कम्युनिटी में जाओगे ना. अभी लोग क्या बोलते हैं, अरे फोटोग्राफर्स की कम्युनिटीज है, यू गो टू अ सेल्स कम्युनिटी, यू गो टू लिंक्डइन, यू गो टू दिस, ये इवेंट, वो इवेंट, go there, but you know that's not the only place you need to go.
Got it.
Have a community of your skilled people. कल उठ के कुछ इनोवेशन करना है, पार्टनरशिप करनी है, डिस्कशन करना है, कहाँ करोगे? आपके पास ग्रुप होगा तो करोगे ना.
तो तभी आपने कोई ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया था जहाँ पे
बहुत सारे
आप-
ग्रुप में मैं
comments and all those
a good
things.
developer always does that. ऐसा
Okay,
है.
got it.
It may be little, but forums होती है where you talk about challenges, something new you have built, something new came out, people discuss के
Okay.
OpenAI का ये आया, मैंने ये ट्राई किया, ये आंसर आ रहा है. So
हाँ,
a lot of that happens on Twitter.
Yes, yes,
But at
yes.
programming level, there are also communities.
GitHubs and all where you just
Yes.
comment. So you were in a debate.
Yeah, I was in a
there.
debate with a founder of a framework, and it over 1-1.5 महीने बाद he emailed me, यार नचिकेत, you were right. I realized.
Oh.
Would you work for me? मैंने बोला job. I come from a educationist background. My grandfather was headmaster. My grandmother was school teacher. My dad is a professor. My aunt is a school principal. Like
Wow.
most people are in a job on my father's side. On my mother's side also, most people are again in jobs.
Uh-huh.
So very few business people in the overall extended family.
That's such a
So I
proud
said to my, so I did some work for him. He said, I can give you 6 months of work. And imagine, I had no idea. It was not like today. Okay, I had no idea कि कैसे पैसे लेने हैं वहाँ से, आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे. I've never met that guy. दूसरी जॉब मिलेगी कि भी नहीं मिलेगी. So I said, okay, I'll do that. I trust your words. I left my job. I joined.
Is
I-
like on contract basis for
Yeah,
6 months?
6 months.
Okay. So
I
dry
told my
risk.
dad, like, this is seems like a good opportunity. I get to work with a industry leader.
Uh-huh.
So far, that is not something I'm doing. So I would rather want to do that. So he said, no worries. What is worst case scenario?
Uh-huh.
नहीं पैसे हैं, no worries, we'll figure out अगर काम.
You didn't talk about money at all. It was
No,
like,
it was all discussed. But see,
Verbally.
what happened is there is no contract. You are single guy. अगर आपको कोई आके बोलेगा कि मैं आपको डेनमार्क से पैसे भेजूंगा, तो how much,
बस
like जॉब
वो-
छोड़ दोगे क्या? वो है.
I mean, so you were a high risk taker that time. कि लेना है,
It wasn't
लेना है,
like what was the risk कि दूसरी जॉब ढूंढनी पड़ेगी ना.
वो
Like
तो
people
मिल ही
see it's
जाएगी.
a big risk, but what is worst case, if you are confident that you have a technical skills, जॉब ढूंढना
कहीं पे भी मिल जाता है आराम से.
So
yes.
the risk was 6 months of salary. ठीक है.
Got it.
Now it's ठीक है. तब it was like बहुत, I had sweating
No,
that
no,
time.
yeah. I can
left
understand.
it. All of my family was mad, like extended family. My dad was cool about it. ठीक है, देखो.
Wow.
So he was a big supporter in that sense, but
It matters a lot.
it matters a lot.
Yeah.
Anyway, so end up working for him. Had a good. Again, it's a freelancer mindset. अकेले काम करना है, मजा आएगा, अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट किया. तो ऐसे 3-4 साल करता रहा. Got opportunities. So mostly solo.
Okay. So
Still not
were you
head
a
of
freelancer or solopreneur? मतलब working on certain projects. Okay.
freelancer. Oh, solopreneur is a fancy word for freelancer.
True. Yeah. There are solopreneurs who are doing probably
Business.
this.
Correct.
Yeah, but-
I'm not saying that, but
Yeah.
so every new business is a startup now. अपने वहाँ पे. और मेरा दोस्त बोल रहा है क्या कर रहे हो? अरे आया स्टार्टअप. क्या कर रहे हो? सीमेंट बेचूंगा. मैंने बोला यार बिजनेस बोल दे. एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ. Not a real friend and real startup, but I have seen those
Yeah.
stories.
Yeah.
क्या है स्टार्टअप है? कितने साल से? 12 साल से. My daughter only like, Dad, your startup, are you like a top 10 startup of सूरत? मैंने बोला भैया हम स्टार्टअप नहीं, I have a business. Because this is not a startup. It's a old Logic Mint is a company which is.
What is a startup versus what is a business?
Startup is something which grows rapidly fast and does something innovative, genuine innovation.
Okay.
For example, Swiggy hai. So they created a new delivery model and they grow rapidly fast. तो अगर रैपिड फास्ट ग्रोथ नहीं कर रहे हो तो भी आप स्टार्टअप नहीं हो, और अगर आप कुछ इंजीनियरली कुछ नया नहीं कर रहे हो, यूएसपी या कुछ डिफरेंटली, तो भी आप स्टार्टअप नहीं हो. इन माय वेज एंड इन मोस्ट पीपल वेज दिस इज द डेफिनेशन.
Okay.
हाँ,
I thought कि someone who starts the business and starts expanding and innovation along with that, that's
if they are not planning rapid growth, they are not a startup.
okay.
A lab which does research, let's say on something, it's not a startup, it's a business, research business.
Got
Because VC money only comes if you are scaling 10x, 100x in a very short time. So if VC money doesn't come, then you don't call it a startup. Like
Okay.
usually, bootstrap startups are there, but they again go rapid growth. If you don't have a rapid growth in mind, वो होता है ना कि आप 25 करोड़ का सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस बनाओगे तो वो स्टार्टअप नहीं है. आप 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस का प्लान करो, 1000 करोड़ का बिजनेस का प्लान करो, तो जब तो स्टार्टअप कहलाएगा. आपका विजन तो उतना होना चाहिए वैसा.
Okay, but vision इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा होता है, but growth तो slowly होती है ना, like it takes at least 3 years for
हाँ,
any
तो उसको
business.
फास्ट ही बोलते हैं 3 इयर्स
अच्छा.
को. 10 या 10 इयर्स का आप बोल रहे
मुझे
हो
तो
तो
वो भी
10 इयर्स
लगता
पे 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस बनूंगा तो बिजनेस है, नथिंग रॉन्ग विद इट. सक्सेसफुल
Okay.
बिजनेस है, सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस.
Got it. That's a great info to know, because for me startup definition was different back like before talking to you though. Yeah, so coming back to
still not a entrepreneur. फिर some I don't remember when, but some fine day I thought यार टीम बनाते हैं, बहुत काम अकेले अकेले कर लिया. That's my entrepreneurship jump. That's it. Then
जब बहुत सारा काम, मतलब it was too much
मैं
of
बहुत कर
overload.
रहा हूँ, अभी टीम बनाता हूँ. So I hired few people and then still like there was never a thought कि कुछ बड़ा यहाँ से करेंगे. So I think that's one of the weakness you can say, or characteristic I have is used to be a lot on easygoing side.
Okay.
चल रहा है, हो रहा है, क्या प्रॉब्लम. Happy go lucky guy. Used to be.
Now not.
Now not.
What has changed?
I'm still at core. You don't change, but a lot. Now I feel like I've done different things for people, like businesses. I realize that if I can actually make impact on major way, like
Okay.
impact in a good way, like impactful work. And once I have a team big enough, I realize that all these people are dependent on me. Their families are dependent on
Responsibility.
business. I wouldn't say
Yeah.
me, the business, like
Yeah.
each other, but I am leading it, right?
Yeah.
So 150 families are getting
Affected, or I would say impacted,
and
yeah.
then I need to make sure I do amazing growth for them.
Yeah.
If I am in a company and they are not planning to grow, तो stuck हो जाएंगे ना.
Yes, that is something
and
which you
then
should
like
have
that is
started.
that kind of responsibility. Once I realize I can't go take it easy go.
Yeah. Even with the, we have a team of 9. Even with the team of 9, also the same feeling. Even 2 people we hired, the feeling was we are shaping their careers also along with our growth. They are also growing, so relatable. But going back to that particular team of 3-4 people, which were the roles you felt like अब तो ये 3-4
role
लोग
नहीं,
थे,
सब developer.
सब developers मिल गए.
Till we were 30, everybody was developer.
Okay.
There was not even HR, nothing. सब developer है.
Okay, तो मैंने देखा था कि उसके बाद कंपनी का जैसे did you have the name Jump Byte करके आपने
Yes.
स्टार्ट किया था ना,
Yes.
which has transition to Logic Mint, if I'm not wrong.
Different story. So my
Okay.
friend, a very good friend, close friend, was my boss in SR.
हाँ.
I left. I called him Dost Aja. So he was saying him, I don't wanna go into entrepreneurship. I need to make sure I'm stable. So, but he left after few years or couple of years. I don't recall exact timeline. He joined. So he left and we joined together. We built a company. And so Jump Byte. So I had Logic Mint.
You already had Logic.
Yeah,
That was like, the name was there
सोलोप्रेनर
since
था ना,
Solopreneur
तो
तब से.
फ्रीलांसर को भी मैंने नाम तो दे ही दिया था. ब्रांडिंग किसको नहीं पसंद है? ब्रांडिंग सबको पसंद है. So I
Starting
actually,
thing. So that time. And is there a reason behind the name? Logic Wind.
well, back then and still, if you see most businesses, I don't remember. I don't feel it's, but I'll tell you how I name things. One, it needs to be abstract enough कि आप वो field में stuck ना हो जाओ.
Okay.
So if you say something like, let's say podcast winners something, and फिर आपको कुछ podcast के अलावा करना हो तो आपका business brand हो जाएगा. So if you are planning something long term, keep it little abstract, like Starbucks.
Yeah.
Starbucks कॉफी से के साथ कुछ नहीं है. बट अगर बड़ी स्टारबक्स में कुछ कॉफी का रखा और उन्होंने कुछ नया फील्ड चालू किया, दे वुड हैव बीन स्टक. कि कॉफी बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाता है. सो आई वांटेड समथिंग एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. सेकंड .com मिलना चाहिए. तब एआई नाम नेम फाइंडर्स और वो सब नहीं थे. सो थर्ड थिंग I like to work with logic, like programming algorithms, logical thinking, puzzles. So I like the word logic.
Okay.
There were some few companies there with logic, और फिर मुझे info, C's ये सब नहीं रखना था, क्योंकि काफी कंपनी होते हैं ना, info tech, this tech. I don't like that, so I wanted little bit abstract, and the other thing I like was fluidity and other things. So I
That's
said wind.
Yeah, it
wind
looks
fits.
cool. Logic Wind, like it is.
Yeah.
It can expand infinite.
Yes. So those thoughts were there, but it's like fun activity you do for a business. I don't see any major impact any business had because they have a cool name. Yeah,
but it is something to do with, I don't know, it's personality, it's internal. Exactly. So that's why, the name, even my brand name is Miracle. So correct. It has a meaning behind correct. It. And that is because of Mr. Piyush, who told me about it. Like, name something that resonates with your aura. Correct. I didn't even know that brand name kitna important. But apne se important hota hai more than
exactly. It doesn't have any business impact. So choosing it is a personal thing. People spend a lot of like time, energy. Although there are certain things you need to make sure. नाम का है ना दूसरा. नाम का मीनिंग आप हर लैंग्वेज में सर्च कर लो.
एक ही जैसा होता है.
नहीं, गलत भी होता है. There are brands which का नाम का मीनिंग वो दूसरी कंट्री में लॉन्च करने गए. बहुत सारे डॉक्यूमेंटेड हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स एविडेंस है. तो वहाँ पे होता चला उसका नाम कुछ अलग ही है, मीनिंग कुछ अलग ही है, एंड इट कुड बी वेरी नेगेटिव और
oh my god. So that you discovered after going to different countries or exploring.
Yeah, I mean, you just make sure your name doesn't have any other meaning in any other culture.
Okay. इतना मैंने deep depth
so that you should do. नाम कुछ भी रख लो. किसी ने कुछ जैसे अपने कुछ नहीं है Indian people names. If when you speak in English and there is a different meaning. So a lot of people get. जब US जाते हैं, UK जाते हैं, then they get kind of made fun out of their name because it sounds differently.
Okay.
And it has a different meaning in there. So you have to make sure and then logo also.
Yeah.
Logo you check from different angles, different colors. It sometimes looks differently. There are a lot of evidences. So those things you have to make sure that those are basics are right. But what name you put is much more personal than anyway.
Yeah, it is personal. Yeah. So, apart from, name part, when you had this 3-4, I just wanted to know one more thing from the journey is, while you were a solopreneur, what kind of problems you used to solve in a way that, software enthusiast, like solutions you used to build for?
I used to work as an expert on a certain part of the project. There is no logic to it. Like I would roam around forums, see if anybody wants done something.
Okay, that's how you also generated lead. Like consider you.
There is no lead. मैं काम ढूंढ रहा था. Like that's what the mindset was not even there. It was not lead. I was like, okay, where can I do a good work? कुछ मिल रहा है अच्छा नया करने को. तो वहां से उठाया, पोस्ट किया. आई नेवर अप्लाइड दैट टाइम कि मुझे वर्क चाहिए. वन थिंग लेड टू अनदर बिकॉज सी वन आई हैड अ गुड डिलीवरी, गुड स्टफ. ही
हाँ.
रिफर्ड मी कि यार तू इससे काम कर. उसने 2 लोगों को बोला, मैं बोला वो तो मैं नहीं करूंगा, ये करूंगा. सो आई वाज मोर, so
Choosy
that's
in
how
terms of what
I
kind of work you
grew.
want to
Yeah.
do. Okay, okay.
So there was
And it was end-to-end stack software, like
my skills were
yeah,
end to end.
your skills were end-to-end.
Day one.
Okay, and that's when you saw a lot of opportunities when it comes to work. Then you thought like multiple people now you need developers in terms of developing.
Yes.
So that's how Logic Wind
Started. Then Jump Byte happened.
What is this Jump Byte, and are they
So
connected?
Dhaval, who was my co-founder,
Okay.
joined.
Uh-huh.
So we had to rename it. Like
Okay.
Logic Wind was there. It was a single person company. So I thought, let's build a brand. उतना सेंस ही नहीं था कि ब्रांड को कंटिन्यू करे, क्या करे, कैसे करे. So I created another company because this company had some चल रहा था, तो हमने पार्टनरशिप जंप बाइट चालू.
Okay.
We all that were also like, he's a developer like me, I am a developer. We created crazy softwares, crazy stuff. If I see myself today, अगर वो अभी जो मुझे पता है, जब for anybody for that matter, but we had home runs in our hand, but हमें marketing और sales करने का कंटाला आ रहा था, तो हमने नहीं किया. That is the, you can now seems like stupidity, but everybody make that mistakes. I'll tell you one story. हम कहीं इवेंट फ्रेंड्स जाते थे. मैं यूएस में एक जगह पे मॉल में गया था, तो हम 3 फ्रेंड्स थे. आई हैव दैट पिक्चर विथ मी, नॉट हियर. तो हमने एक फोटो बूथ देखा, तो ये क्या है. हम तीनों गए, तो तीनों ने फनी फेस अंदर बनाए. वो प्रिंट आउट आ गया मस्त. 3 यू आर सीइंग मूवीज.
yes
Yeah.
on the spot मिल
ऑन द
जाता है
स्पॉट
थोड़े
आ
टाइम
गया.
में.
दिस इज प्रीटी कूल.
हाँ.
हमने 3 कॉपी डाउनलोड की, पे किया, तो 3 कॉपी तीनों फ्रेंड्स ने रख ली. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट.
हाँ.
तो मैं सोच रहा था कि अपने यहाँ कुछ है नहीं, तो हमने एक वॉल पे ऐसा यूनिट बनाया. ट्राइपॉड लिया, डीएसएलआर डाला, एंड्रॉइड का स्क्रीन डाला, ऊपर रिंग फ्लैश डाला, ये सब बना के हमने एक डब्बा रेडी किया, ऑटोमेटेड. सो स्क्रीन पे आपने क्लिक किया, यू हैव टू पोज, इट टेक्स 3 पिक्चर्स. वो इवेंट के ब्रांडिंग के साथ प्रिंट आउट दे देगा आपको, ईमेल कर देगा आपको. यहाँ पे स्क्रीन है तो वहाँ पे वो चालू हो जाएंगे लाइव फोटोज.
This you completely automated.
Yeah, 15-16 में किया था. We were charging 25,000, 35,000 per event for that particular unit. Event कैम करके हमने पूरा प्रोडक्ट बना दिया था, और we did 15-20 event. But realization was कि यार ये तो बहुत ऑपरेशन हैवी है. हम गाड़ी में सब डब्बा डाल के जाते थे, सेटअप करते थे, और फिर 1-2 इवेंट में इतने बच्चे आए ना, सब लटक रहे, ये कर रहे हैं. मैंने बोला भाई ये धंधा अपने काम का बंद करो. So literally we were like यार अभी नहीं करनी इवेंट्स.
Okay, got it.
But now if I know that could be easily $1 million business. Like सब रेडी था, कुछ नहीं करना था. Get like 4-5 people of execution team, photographer टीम के असिस्टेंट्स है, ये है, लेके आओ. अदर थिंग वी डिडंट रियलाइज कि सब लोग अप्रिशिएट करते थे. इतने सारे दिस इज अमेजिंग, आई एम गोना यूज दिस, बट किसी का लीड नहीं आता था.
Okay.
I was like यार सबको अच्छा लग रहा है, सब ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं, बट दिस इज व्हाट द रिसर्च इज अबाउट एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज अबाउट. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा ये एक्सपीरियंस, वेयर योर फोटोग्राफ्स यू गेट इमीडिएटली फ्रॉम अ सेल्फी बूथ, यू सेड मुझे कि आई विल डेफिनेटली यूज दिस, अमेजिंग, कितना भी चार्ज कर लो आप. नाउ आई नीड टू नो. तो आप कब करोगे? जब आपका कोई मेजर इवेंट आएगा तब करोगे ना. तब कल तो नहीं करोगे. तो आपका मेजर इवेंट साल में एक बार आता है, या तो 2 साल में एक बार आता है. हर बर्थडे पे कोई पार्टी नहीं देता. जब आप पार्टी या कुछ इवेंट करोगे तब हायर करोगे. करेक्ट. तो आई कुडंट प्रेडिक्ट. तो 4 महीना कॉल्स वॉल्स हमारे कुछ लीड्स नहीं आए तो हमने बंद कर दिया.
ओके.
यू वोंट बिलीव 1.5 साल तक हमें वीक में एक कॉल आते थे. बहुत कॉल आते थे. सर वो आप डाल दो ना. मैंने बोला बंद कर दिया. बोला नहीं आप बोलो उतने पैसे. एक तो बोला मैं 1 लाख रुपए दूंगा, आप आके कर जाओ. मतलब अभी हमने सब डिसमेंटल कर दिया था, सॉफ्टवेयर अपग्रेड करना था. मैंने बोला माफ कर भाई, नहीं करेंगे.
ओके.
So that's how tech is.
think of
तब बिजनेस माइंडसेट नहीं था कि इसको we could have monetized this and that. It was a pretty cool project to build. We built it. Each was done. हमें मजा आ गया. अभी बिजनेस रन करना is a boring thing.
Okay, got it. But
This-
you are running so many businesses.
That time.
So that time.
That time. That's what I'm
Okay.
saying. If I am like I am today, I would have made a lot of money off it.
But that is based on the learnings and experiences that teaches you,
Yeah,
right? And that's what
exactly.
it was supposed to be this time.
Learning
having this for you.
experience.
So tell me more about learnings, like, okay, Logic went with few people. During that time, how did you charge for the value you provide? Because sometimes when we don't know how much value we are
These are
providing.
very, now
right now.
educational fancy things. Simple as like I. He, this is how it went. He said, "How much you wanna charge?" I don't know how much you wanna pay. He said $10. I said, "Okay."
You didn't have any expectation in
And
terms of
where would you find the expectation? There were no forums which discussed that. This is 2008-9. There were no elaborate YouTube videos talking how to charge. There was no.
even now people face the problem that
Now तो कुछ
there's-
भी नहीं, सब कुछ पता है आपको. आपको यहाँ पे गाड़ी बनाना है, कार बनाना है, कुकिंग सीखना है. You can do all online. There is no.
Yeah, but then too, when it comes to, you create certain new services or solutions, it can cost you, you can charge for it maybe like, 1 lakh versus it can be of within 10K also,
Well,
but you don't know exactly
See,
how much.
the value of a service or a product is in consumer's mind. Something as valuable as, let's say, a really good DSLR
Hmm.
for a photographer, or a really good photographer for a design oriented person versus a typical businessman
Hmm.
is very different.
Hmm.
So a really good photographer go to a design or a oriented person and could charge 1 lakh rupees for an event. The same guy goes to a person who doesn't care about photography or quality or this, would
It
say
depends
20,000
on-
में तो मेरा ये पांजा कर रहा है, आप कैसे लाख रुपए.
Got it.
It's
Yeah.
always which
Depending
audience
on
you serve, how you project. Like the value is in the receiver's end or the
Yeah.
customer's end.
Yeah.
So get the customers which appreciate your skills as much more valuable. That's simple as that. The
Okay.
same cheese, I always say this. Okay, you will find people who want to build Facebook in $500. You'll find developers who is ready to build Facebook in $500. जबकि it took billions of dollars for. So ऐसा है, आप जाओगे सब ऑनलाइन, बोले $500 में मुझे फेसबुक जैसा पोर्टल बनाना है, वो बोलेगा 10 लोग बोलेंगे हाँ मैं बना देता हूँ. तो इसका क्या करोगे? $500 में कुछ नहीं बनेगा और कुछ नहीं चलेगा. बट ठीक है, उसको चाहिए, उसको देना है. इसके
Got it. It depends on the quality. But so many factors also comes into play, I would say.
yes. And
Okay. Do you have this particular mindset of giving before receiving? Like you gave your best in terms of
which part of journey you are talking about right now?
not right now. Back then, any services. Consider new thing which you are starting up with. Any new service which you are providing.
Now.
Consider
The-
now itself.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying.
Now, because
we were
like-
talking about a mindset when we were very small. Now, first thing I would check is whether people are ready to pay or not.
Okay.
If I can. It's a
Okay.
hard thing to test.
Uh-huh.
But if you figure out a way, if people are ready to pay or not. If I give, they receive, that doesn't mean they will pay in future.
Mm-hmm.
Understanding?
Yeah.
So if let's say I'm saying कि भाई मैं आपका AI consulting I'll do.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do it for free पहले session में. If I do that and people say wow this is really good, very neat, helpful for my business, that doesn't mean they will second time they will come and pay and get the service. So first thing I want to check is definitely you have to give value first.
Yeah.
So white paper, knowledge, discussion session, guidance, always available. Any entrepreneur.
Got it.
Nobody would say कि नहीं आप पहले पे करो फिर मैं देखता हूँ मैं कंसल्टिंग दूंगा. There is always a flavor you would give and the value you would give. Then you can basically see. So
Yeah, it's
always there.
Okay. So after Logic went, while Logic went, when you were the people, the startup where there are 4 to 9 people and all, you started getting projects and all, and that's when, how did it go to expansion of 140 people?
new
And
project
what were your strategies?
a new project came and we're like, we don't have people, let's add 3 4 more people. That's as simple as that. There is no logic or science to it.
Okay, and what kind of solutions Logicwin provide?
Okay, so when I talking about like a new project came and we did not have people, so we added people. This was earlier. Now it is much more nuanced. Like we think where we wanna go. For that, what do we need to invest? Which kind of departments we need to build? Which kind of skill set we need to create? Which kind of value we need to show? What kind of marketing we have to do? What kind of training we have to do? All this happens, then something new gets added to the
Yeah,
company. Like earlier, scaling was not planned.
but
Now
then
the
with
scaling
time.
is, you need to plan scaling really well. Otherwise, you can't scale successfully.
And when did you realize that? Like,
2 years ago,
2 years ago. And when did Logicwin start? वैसे तो 2000.
2011,
Okay. And till then, even with there were like
we were with
9.
100 people. We were not sure how to scale. 2 years ago, we were around 100 something.
Uh-huh.
We were not sure how to scale success.
How did you manage with operations then during that time? Like, because there are so many people, a lot of chaos also happens, right? Project distribution.
So, too many questions, too many thoughts happening. Going back to where we started discussing. Okay, so your
After 9.
one question, please. Then we'll go.
Okay. So, consider after 9 people, there are like, you hired more people with more projects and all those things. When did you, was there any moment during these time that you felt नहीं हो पा रहा है बॉस बहुत ज़्यादा, any failures or vulnerability moment? I would like to know.
Failures.
Not failures, I would say
No,
learnings.
failures are part of game. Every day there is some sort of failure you would face. Everybody will face.
Every day.
छोटा सा भी failure क्या है? Like something you wanted to do certain way didn't happen.
हाँ.
Power गया, lift lit आई, car में पंचर हुआ, सब in a way it is something which you are expecting didn't happen. Okay, I know it's may not be the failure in a real sense, but what I'm trying to say is you can relate the feeling to that.
Okay.
It is not in your control. Many times, see, when you feel really down is you have not given your 100%, I would say.
Okay.
You have not given your full tries and you don't do it. And when it fails, then you feel down. But if you have given your efforts, I don't think you feel down about being
don't
failed.
regret because
Regret,
you have
yeah.
given
You
your
have tried,
100% and things didn't
100% is also very subjective, but you have tried enough. You're yourself content.
Yeah, you're
No,
satisfied that I've given my best.
Given my best.
Yeah.
Like if you lose a race, you feel bad, but you don't feel down. You'll try again.
Okay.
But अगर try नहीं कर रहे हो और when you lose, your team feels bad, you feel bad, right?
Yeah.
So that's that. The failures were a lot. Like I told you about this event camp. We spent a lot of money.
Okay.
But we never made so much money.
When do you realize that this is not going in the right direction? Like,
no, we were not liking it.
Achha, you were not liking it, and that's when you stopped.
Because it was a marketing.
Too many things.
Execution support more than a business. क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी बन गया अभी बिजनेस चला लाइक टेक्नोलॉजी एक बार बनाते हो ना बिजनेस आप कितना 10 साल चलाओगे उसका वैल्यू आपको उससे जब आना चालू हुआ तब हम बंद कर दे रहे थे.
Did you? अच्छा तभी आपका वैसा वाला भी mindset नहीं था इसको बेच दे किस तरह से and not all those things.
वही बोल रहा हूँ because we are developers, we love developing. हमारा जब enjoyment वाला काम खत्म हुआ usually instead of scaling we used to get to the next thing, and a lot of people does that when things become out of their comfort zone they say यार इससे अच्छा तो मैं वो करता हूँ, but this is the time you are actually supposed to grow. And the growing is not typical thing. Like if you are बोलते हैं ना doctors are very good surgeons, let's say, when they try to run business it's a very different ball game for them. Because this is a skill you learned, and this is a skill, but it's so dynamic running a business.
Yeah.
So
It's all this
skill
game
and
also.
yes,
Yeah.
like a professional and an entrepreneur has a different career mindset, and when you are both, you are really in a बोलते हैं ना, you have to be very dynamic. Let's say.
Yeah. So, what is success in your head
Success in my head is personally,
and professionally both?
yeah, personally at my level, for company, of course. So one goal we have is to be, like a really good product development company, like top company of Gujarat is our first goal.
Okay.
Product development,
And
not
what kind
in
of
size.
products you
So
create?
software products. So Logicwind, we build software products. So you take Hotstar, you take Swiggy. Those kind of software products we build for companies, clients, US, UK, and India
Okay.
right
Got it.
now.
How did you reach US and UK? As in, because you had this freelancing connects, I
Exactly.
would say. That's
I
how you
freelance. One day, if client said you have to be here next month, I said I need to take visa. I said apply for it. Applied,
Okay.
got it, went there.
So these are when you talk about Hotstar, it's the entire pipeline behind it. That is the
Everything.
solution you provide.
That's a product, similar product we have built, not Hotstar, to be clear.
No, not Hotstar.
Similar product. I'll give you an example. Let's say you want to build a OTT or a video platform. कि टीवी में भी ऐप हो, मोबाइल में भी हो, आप सब्सक्रिप्शन चार्ज करना हो. Let's say you want to start that channel, गुजराती चैनल चालू करना है आपको, तो ये सब चाहिए.
हाँ.
पूरा टेक्नोलॉजी with payment, this and that, where to upload, what kind of file to upload. We
Okay.
have built
End to
for
end.
few clients.
Okay.
Giving an
okay.
example, like
Got
video,
it. Got it.
it's called OTT, over the
Huh.
air.
Huh.
OTT, over, what is the full form? I
I don't
forgot. I say word
I don't
OTT
know.
every day once.
No, I don't know. I have read it multiple times. I don't remember.
It's over the air.
I've worked for OTT platforms deep.
Okay.
I was an architect and tech sales person in Microsoft. So all over
Okay.
India, pura lead kar rahi thi. So multiple,
So-
all the domains.
So
I
we have
would say.
expertise in OTT. We have expertise in like consumer mobile apps. So those kind of products we
All
build.
the sectors, banking and all those
Yeah,
things.
we have done a
every
UK based
sectors.
banks app. We have done health app in US, which went to US top 10. We have done some OTT apps in US.
So there
More
are
than
solution
60,
and the
70
service.
products we have built.
And now we'll move to the most important, I would not say important, but interesting, and I'm so curious to know about is how did you, started with multiple ventures? Like you are a co-founder of Capital, you're a co-founder of Brahmaveda, as well as that EV company, Electropod, then in gaming as well,
Superbro Games.
Superbro Games. There are so many more, like IcoWork and so many more. How?
So I'll tell you why. And then we'll go
why?
to how.
Yes.
So as a product engineering company, so I wanted to build products, right? So I started by building digital products myself.
Mm-hmm.
Why I wanted to build it? Because all of our client, we see the skill we do, the work they do. We thought, we should build products as Logicwind. So when I built the first product, we had it's a lot of difficulty scaling it, running it, because products require a lot more effort other than technology. Like business.
Yes.
It needs to have, who we are serving, support team, marketing team, sales team, understanding the client needs, upgrading that. So we did that for our products.
Mm.
But we are realizing that the way we can really create wealth out of product is if we create those products with somebody as a founder.
Okay.
If there is a founder, and then who is living that particular product as a that core focus, then we can contribute more as a services company over if we try to do as an in-house thing.
Okay.
Because the mindset and the effort needed are way different.
Okay.
In services company, you are serving the customer, their needs you are fulfilling, which is a Logicwind is basically a technology services company.
Okay.
Where in a product company, you really need to make sure that your product is giving value to the customer. So the whole mindset is different, and the skills are different, and you really need to have one founder or one person who's betting something on that product or vision and running with it, which
Yeah.
was not possible with Logic Wind. And the Logic Wind was at a scale where I did not feel like, I want to
Have a
discontinue or
separate.
like create convert this company into a product only company or like a product company. So one thing happened is I realized there is something called venture studio model. So
Okay.
venture studio model is a business which creates venture after venture. There are
Oh.
many in the world. It's not just popularized yet.
Okay.
So there are businesses or companies which their sole job is to create new ventures, and
Okay.
they stay co-founder or partner in that.
Okay. Got it.
So that's what Brahmaveda is, but that's a very defined structure with defined with co-founders. We are doing that, but I wanted to do that from years ago, 10, 6, 7 years ago. I realized that if I want to scale we have a lot of skills in technology.
Mm-hmm.
How do I get most value out of that? Is then the model I chose or figured out is if we become partner with startups and we make sure that the technology is right, advanced, and so the startup is always a challenge with technology. Technology co-founder नहीं मिल रहा है, technology सही नहीं बन रही है, बहुत time ले रहा है, which we can solve.
Okay.
So what we realize is, okay, if somebody's want to build a startup, and if we are able to do the technology and invest in proportionate to the founder, we can actually build a new companies or a venture.
Okay. Got
So
it.
so I start there are failures as well. First couple of we couldn't figure out क्या equity होना चाहिए, कैसे structure होना चाहिए, कैसे billing करेंगे, कैसे cost manage करेंगे. But after couple of iterations, couple of trials, we realize. So DGQC is one of those where
So there were failures also before. Like,
course.
yes.
Like I said, it's
always.
I'll give you an example. I think Slack. You know Slack?
Yeah. Yeah. I've used
Slack
it.
was created by the company because they were trying to build something in gaming.
Okay.
Gaming communication. Slack was their internal tool. Before just shutting down, they realized कि चलो Slack launch करके देखते हैं. Something like that happened, and so that's a side product which got successful. And we think that so every company had failures.
Yeah. Yeah.
We
So
don't-
you
we just
also
don't
had
know
this
about it.
trial and errors and all those things, and then the GQC.
DGQC is really going well, and that's where, like I said, now DGQC has their technical team as well, and our technical team is also working Logic Winds. DGQC has the technical team as well, and it has scaled in last 4 years quite well. Used across a lot of real estate companies across India, internationally as well. So that's a SaaS.
Got it. So ventures, when you say venture studios, so Logic Wind provide solutions to digital solutions to different customers also. Plus, it is a place where multiple startups start, where as in a way that you be the advisor, you be the tech. what
Not
is
me,
it?
Logic Wind.
Not me. Logic Wind.
Because there are a
is
lot
a
of
venture
senior
studio.
expertise, lot of core team members which contributes. Not like I can't do everything, right? Like you are saying.
Yeah.
So first of all, you have to start thinking
Okay.
about you instead of you, the company, right?
Yeah. So people, whoever works in Logic Wind, anyone can.
Not anyone.
There is a board member team
Yeah,
or.
there is a core team which does have such a good expertise over the year. They contribute to this because
Okay,
Logic
and the
Wind is the
contribution
part.
can be like it's about like contribution, advisory contribution in certain sectors you contribute.
CTO and below.
Okay, got it.
Very
got it.
simple words. If you take a CTO role and whatever reports them, CTO and below, CTO and engineering and below
Okay.
is what we can take care of.
Okay.
So when
And
we
Logic-
start, that Logic Wind will basically make sure technology is done well. The founder makes sure the business is doing well,
Well,
and once it reaches a level, we basically want to help them create their own team company, and we just stay advisor.
Okay.
That's the vision.
Got it. That's the vision, and that's been executed when it comes to Brahmaveda DGQC. No?
Yeah. That's why I wanted to make sure that it doesn't complicate it. It's complicated. I'll rephrase. We are talking about how did I start. So this is what I wanted to do. So I started with partnering with really good founder. So like Suman from DGQC is one where we really had hit the right tick marks as a individual, as a partner. And like I said, there is no conflict. Why? Because we spend a month figuring out who owns what is the responsibility of which founder. That is very critical. So that idea of like, okay, what is Logic Wins and Nachiket's scope? What is Sumant and the company's scope? Once you do that, then we started. Like we took really good care about how we structure this. But the idea is always we will be a technology provider to DGQC, and in future just an advisor if needed. But this is how
the collaboration
and the partnership started happening. Same, so that's one which is successful. There are Electropod is the similar way. It's a different story, but idea is how we can create wealth which will give us multifold returns in future is by partnering with different startups. That is a very difficult model. Why? Because I'll not go in the details of why it's a difficult model. But that's why I'm a co-founder in multiple companies. Got it. But
your why was like, you wanted, I would ask, like, this is what my perception is from hearing, that you wanted to didn't want to create in-house because it's like too many things. But
in-house it is, I feel like, not possible
for now. Yeah.
Not now. It's not possible because the mindset required is different.
Yes.
So you can't have founders working as a job. Like somebody needs to build their life online on a product. So that's where I think becomes difficult if we're trying to just do different thing in-house.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of expertise because we work with so many startups, so many companies, and I want to leverage that expertise. So the only way I can leverage it is
partnering with other founders who have the vision of creating
and then investing there and then scaling that company.
Okay.
So wealth creation happens there.
Okay.
Partnership.
So with different companies, the models, I would say the collaboration will be in different ways. Like
absolutely, we have to adjust.
In terms
and that's where so basically we kind of stop there. Like we don't want more. Like you can't have so many partners. So DGQC and there are a couple of more which are going really well. We want to. So and then iCowork you talked about.
Yeah.
iCowork happened. Mehul's very good friend. He thought, and Surat Startup, there was a group called Surat Startup, 2014-15. Mehul Shah, the CEO, we were all friends, like come to meet there. The biggest problem was we would not find a place where 20 people can sit for free. पूरे सूरत में एक जगह नहीं थी जहाँ 20 लोगों को आप बैठ के 2 घंटे का मीटअप करो ऐसा. सूरत स्टार्टअप वाज अ कम्युनिटी. 20 लोग आए, कहीं बैठ के बात करनी है, किसी को प्रेजेंट करना है कुछ, तो कहाँ करेंगे, जगह ही नहीं थी. द कंपनीज आई न्यू, लाइक वी हैड अ वर्क स्पेस, तो हम सब कंप्यूटर रहता के कभी वहाँ पे मीटिंग कर लेते थे. मेहुल हैड अ मीटिंग रूम उनका, तो वहाँ पे कभी मिल जाता तो मीटिंग रूम में हम बैठ जाते थे. तो ही केम अप विथ यार नचिकेत कोवर्किंग स्पेस बनाना चाहिए सूरत में. आई एम प्लानिंग टू बिल्ड इट. आई सेड काउंट मी इन whatever percentage. So it was his brainchild, and then he asked me if you want to join, happy to have you as a partner. So I joined there. So pretty much like co-working space operations are physical operations, technology कुछ है नहीं. तो मेरा कोई इतना एक्टिव रोल नहीं है उसमें, क्योंकि my role was technology.
Yeah.
That the other way how I can have multiple active roles is, like I said, I always make sure my responsibilities of technology, delivery and guidance, which I know how to do really really well.
Okay.
So
Got
if
it.
I don't know, my team knows how to manage that. Like Logiquin team knows how to do that. So that's how we are comfortable with. Even if 2 3 more technology companies we have to deal with, there is not a problem.
Got
But
it.
जैसे cafe, it's a completely different operations, and that's where I think like it became realized that we cannot go out of our expertise for any sort of partnership or active role, because it takes a lot of time to figure out
Time
that.
and efforts to understand, learn, and all those
Uh,
things. Okay, so with this particular, you said that in the starting, that beginning is the scope decision when it comes to what will be the role of you being a co-founder in multiple.
Everybody should do that.
Yeah.
Sit down, make sure you talk about every small detail. ये हुआ तो क्या, वो हुआ तो क्या,
Uh-huh.
which partner or a founder is responsible for what, ये
Okay.
हुआ तो क्या.
And how did you find the partners, founders? Like, good. These are
So
the
you
person
don't find founders.
they
You
find
have
it.
relationship with people, and you see somebody wants to do something, and you get together. It is
Uh-huh.
not a hunt like job. You need to know enough good people, enough good networks, where you connect first as a human. You have friendship, and then you think like, yeah, it's a good person to work with, and something comes out of it. Otherwise, it's not transactional. It's
And that's
relational.
instinct
That's
also,
relational.
yeah. Okay.
Up,
And yeah, true, it is all about the relations, and it is that's how
absolutely.
I found these guys.
Ah,
I
so
found them. Yeah.
so you must have met few times. You realize that there is a connection, there is a vision, there is a alignment, there is a. Otherwise, you won't be able to uh,
It doesn't connect,
easily.
it doesn't happen. So yeah, as in I completely believe and so much believe in this, because when I thought I want to change, like, I want to start with, I had no plans that I'll be jumping or entering into entrepreneurship. And it was all about, I want to transform lives of people. I don't know what was that strong, I would say, inner, you have this, do you believe, I don't know or not, there's this inner voice, the intuition. It doesn't let you do other things if it talks about it, like, you have to, if you're not listening, maybe it's a
Yeah,
loop.
you need to feel confident, like inner voice. However we put it, it's like your self belief or self
Yeah.
confidence. Then oh, I can do this. I know
Yeah.
this is gonna change things. I know this is something I'm my calling. Yeah,
It's a calling, just happened, that calling came because seeing the rock bottom
Hmm.
coming out of it and all those things. But first instinct I had was, I cannot do everything alone, and it is more about sharing a lot of knowledge to the world. Then I need a video editor, and met so many people, I was not able to connect. But there's this spirituality, so many things, energy, alignment. That's how I got connected. And it is all about human relation. Then only, if you are having that belief, trust in the person, then only you can go ahead with that person. And I believe that's how you went ahead with each and every particular startup also. The alignment,
Yeah,
energy,
we
and belief.
I knew people where the part like partner whoever, like I'm partners with different people. I knew them before your partners on all the cases. Otherwise, it wouldn't have happened.
Yeah.
Of course, there's a different degree of variance, right? Like variance that where you may know them for years, somebody you know them for months, but
Ah.
there was never the thought like, okay, I am gonna meet this person because I'm thinking I'm gonna build a company. ऐसे करोगे तो वो नहीं
नहीं
होगा.
होगा, नहीं इंटेंशन, वो तो ऐसा होता है ना,
Inten-
तुम्हारा इंटेंशन
Intention
प्योर होगा
होगा
तो फिर
तो ही
अपने
होगा.
आप ही ओ
I
आपने
am big
फिर
believer in that. So
या
networking लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई networking event में जाओ और it's like, and Indians are pretty bad at it. Sorry to say. वो जाते हैं, oh what do you do, I feel like आप क्या करते हो, oh I do this, okay here's my card, thank you, bye bye. अरे क्या करने आए हो, सिर्फ कार्ड बेचने आए हो क्या? Like literally I get frustrated. So whoever has watched this, don't come to me if they want to just give me hand the card and go. So you talk about, of course, like बोलोगे तो I had people coming से तो और क्या बात करनी चाहिए. मैंने बोला आपको पता होना चाहिए आपको क्या बात करनी है. आप जो बात करनी चाहिए वो करो, and then you will see. So I find very interesting in conversations with people. I'm genuinely, कभी student मिलता है तो भी I find it very genuine. Like so this is how it goes. IT student come, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, लो तो मुझे जानना है अभी प्रोग्रामिंग में आपको ये आता है, बोलता है नहीं ऐसा तो कॉलेज में नहीं आया, बोला क्या बात कर रहे हो. सो दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्ट. आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस अबाउट कि यार अभी कॉलेज में क्या चल रहा है. एंड इफ अ स्टूडेंट कम्स आई वुड टॉक दैट. अ टेक्सटाइल गाय कम्स, मेरा इंटरेस्ट है यार इन्होंने कुछ अभी टेक्नोलॉजी में चेंज किया कि नहीं. आई हैव ऑलवेज आई हैव अ
Question when it comes to
और क्या
technology.
करना है, एनीथिंग लाइक एनी बिजनेस. आई if you are not able to be curious about that person, don't network.
Yeah. True.
मतलब कैसे करोगे? Like you are not there to uh,
It is
sell
all
something.
about
It will happen. Like I'm not saying like if you intentionally try to do in human human to human connection, it won't happen. If you don't try to do,
it
will
happens. You believe in that, no?
Yeah, it happens.
And I don't know. I believe कि जब भी intention है ना, जैसा भी इंटेंशन तुम मन में रखते हो ना उसके रिजल्ट्स वैसे आते हैं. मतलब अगर नहीं वैसे इन द सेंस इफ यू आर हैविंग अ रॉन्ग इंटेंशन और इफ यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ इंटेंशन देन यू विल सी द डिलेज एंड ऑल. एंड इफ यू आर डूइंग
what you do, what is your intention is what you do. If your intention is to get value from that guy, you will never be able to make that connection. Human psychology, like just your questions, your interest would be for yourself. तो ऐसा होगा तो you automatically it becomes like how would I, like the other person will disengage.
It comes in, it shows in your conversation, in your energy, in
Yes,
your aura,
exactly.
everything, right?
Because your mind is there कि यार इससे मुझे value निकालना है.
Oh.
If so उसमें you can't fake it. You
Yeah.
can't be
What is
super
inside
smart
it
about
becomes,
it. हाँ वो वही होने
what
वाला
is
है.
inside comes outside naturally.
Naturally comes outside. So
True.
if you are genuinely interested, genuinely talking with that person, automatically that genuine connection will happen if you are aligned with that person. अगर आपको नहीं बंदा पसंद आएगा या आपसे कनेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है, then you will not talk more with that. You will go in your own way. But if you really connect, both will kind of start.
Yeah.
So it happens, you know, you meet some people, आधा घंटा बात चल रहा है, पता नहीं चल रहा है कब आधा घंटा हो गया, कब 1 hour हो गया. And that's where the connections are made. But
Yeah.
anyway,
but that time when you don't have the intention, I have had the experience. I have the experience of this, like, you know, अगर intention jumping into entrepreneurship starting में तो आपका तो starting से ही like, you know, I would say कि it happened naturally, which is a very good thing. But मेरे लिए तो बहुत बड़ा shock था because of the calling. I was like, क्यों आ रही है ये calling? But then the calling is coming. I cannot do anything else because I was not interested only. So when I started, the first 6 months are always like भूकंप चल रहा है ऐसा लग रहा था. But then okay, it comes, acceptance comes, everything comes, and then you accept and you go with the path and you learn a lot about all these things, like, you know,
yes.
how your intention is, what your journey is, why you are doing what you are doing. You get the acceptance, you get the potential stamina to face all the fears also. But anyway, one thing, like, you know, before we jump to another section, which is also again interesting, which I would like to know, the last part when it comes to when you're investing into certain, do you also co-founder, do you have certain bonds and all those things where you, what if you part ways, all those boundary cases also you take care of? And
Yes.
okay, perfect. And how did you, are these events helpful? Like you're going today somewhere, the TIE,
TIE.
so that's
Thai
where
Indus
also you
Entrepreneur.
get to know a lot. And
Yes, so I would say if you're talking, your question is around new entrepreneurs,
Yeah.
startup founders, definitely you need to find a tribe. Tribe as in a group where you go if you are stuck. Simple. अभी
Okay.
possible है.
मैं तो सच में बताऊं, अगर being very brutally honest, and I really want to know about your advices, कि being into like, you know, one is that the concept of podcast started because knowledge sharing intention is कि understand the silent battles, the unfiltered truth, and the you know, bridging the worlds somehow. But another thing, like, you know, you also have to think about how you're going to generate revenue, because that is something we never think about when you're in.
If you are thinking of business, the first thing you have to think about is
generating revenue. Okay.
And be profitable. Like those two things, if you are not thinking, you are not a business.
Yeah. And to be honest, there are kind of founders, I would say 80%, who start the business with the game plan, with the plan that this is something, the product which I'm going to prepare, or these are the services which I'm going to provide, and this is something, the values, all the things we have to figure out on the go. But when they figure out 50-60%, they are ready, they start up with that. I started up that, my inner voice or the calling is not allowing me. Now going back, I took a career break of 6 months, and it is not allowing me to go. It is not allowing me. Like, I'm prepared, my CV plan was to go in Google. Like, I had that mindset, okay, बड़ी company में, क्योंकि कर लिया सब flavors try कर लिया, अब मेरे को कुछ और major बड़ा करना है. But because of this 6 months, which I did a lot of things on my inner work and all those things, तो मेरे को allow ही नहीं किया कि मैं जाऊँ. And I started off with, we partnered with CPH Films, and we are together working on crazy things and crazy values we are providing. So now I have, these are the transformation because of the career, like 9.5 years. बता रही हूँ, 9.5 years का जो है expertise, उसकी वजह से advisor and all those things, we have the services in place. I'm stuck with how to start in the sense, this is particular, how to generate leads, or leads in the sense ki this is what is something new which I'm doing related to my previous work and all those things.
See, basics needs to be there. Basics are, do you have a business model? Business model is very simple.
Yeah.
How you will find people who will pay, why they will pay you, how much they will pay you, how much is your operational cost, how much is fixed variable cost, how much is fixed cost month over month, कब तक आप कितने लोग लाओगे, तो वो क्लियर है तो होगा. अभी from a podcast perspective, I don't want to like you to tell me your business model. मुझे क्या समझ में आता है, podcast is, it cannot be paid for a foreseeable future. It's going to be free. So how do you podcaster make revenue is one, advertising, like promoting in between is one. Second, they do paid episodes. If somebody wants to get promoted, or they can do a side service where they do like train founders on communication or something could be done, right? The revenue generation needs to be clear कि मैं कितना चार्ज करूंगी, कितने मंथ में कितने कर पाऊंगी. So I'll give you an example. People come with me business plan. You know what? I'm gonna start up. ये कॉलेज में ज़्यादा होता है. हमें ना कि खाना हॉस्टल में मिलता नहीं है अच्छे से, या धोबी आके कपड़ा नहीं ले जाता है, तो मैं ना धोबी का ऐप बना रहा हूँ, वो कपड़े आके ले जाएगा और मुझे नेक्स्ट दिन दे जाएगा. नॉट जोकिंग, ऐसे सब आइडिया होते हैं. क्योंकि उनको क्या सिखाते हैं कॉलेज में, भाई आपके प्रॉब्लम्स ढूंढो, और ढूंढा उसने प्रॉब्लम कि मेरे कपड़े नहीं धुलते हैं क्योंकि धोबी कोई आता नहीं हॉस्टल में. अभी मैं बोला यार तेरी हॉस्टल में लोग कितने हैं, बोला 400. बोला कितने दिन में आप कपड़े धोगे, तो स्टूडेंट है, मेरे स्टूडेंट के पास पैसे नहीं होते हैं, ठीक है, अभी कितने हफ्ते में आप कपड़े बदलोगे, एक दो दिन तो पहनते ही हो ना. मैंने हाँ, तो 3 बार धोगे, कितना पैसा हुआ, बोले 60 रुपीज़, लेट से 100 रुपीज़ अ मंथ वीक आ रहा है मैक्सिमम, तो 400 रुपये एक स्टूडेंट का है, 400 स्टूडेंट कितना हुआ, 1,60,000. अभी धोबी आएगा लेके जाएगा, मतलब ये तुम डिप्लॉय करते करते पागल हो जाओगे. और बना कितना, 40,000 रुपीज़ पर हॉस्टल. इसको तुम जाओगे, काम करना है आपको, कैसे लोग, यू हैव टू. बिजनेस मॉडल ही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि रिस्की है, इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है. व्हाई डू यू, इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग न्यू, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू स्टार्ट विथ अ रिस्की बिजनेस मॉडल, और बिजनेस मॉडल विच कैन ग्रो अप टू दिस मच. तो either you are doing it for some other reason, passion, promotion, PR, वो लोग नहीं कर रहे थे, that could be another reason. But what are you gonna sell is to know कि उसका economics, unit economics सही है, unit economics ही सही नहीं है तो कैसे चलेगा. तो आपका यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स आपने सोचा है कि मैं इतना करूंगी तो ये आएगा, और ऐसे ये सर्विस बेचूंगी, सर्विस का कॉस्ट ऐसा है, सब कुछ स्ट्रैटेजिक एडवाइस. तो फिर स्टार्ट करने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? स्टार्ट भी कर लिया है, मतलब स्टार्ट इन द सेंस, I would say that sometimes you don't know exactly how much you need to charge for the value which you are providing. That is one thing. चालू करने के लिए कम वैल्यू को प्रोवाइड, कम कॉस्ट में करो ना. मींस you have a target कि मुझे let's say 1 lakh तक पहुंचना है, for example for XYZ. Start, you know people are doing, तो proof है आपको, तो वहां पहुंचने के लिए 20,000 से चालू करो. But that's a goal. Proof होना चाहिए मार्केट में कि this guy doing this charges 1 lakh. So if I do this, I'll be able to charge relatively to that. But वो नहीं कर रहा है, then you are basically making a bet.
So consider if you're charging also, you have given rates to the services which you are going to provide and the value you are going to provide. How do you get your first customer for the new services which you have created based
For
on your
me.
expertise?
Okay. First customer you get before you design the service, build a service. At
Okay.
least have discussion. See they ready to pay.
Yeah.
Why they would pay. And then if you can pre-book, if it's friend family network, take a token.
Okay.
That's a
Take a token.
हाँ.
Okay.
तो वो क्या होता है कि उनका कंफर्मेशन है कि मुझे सच में इंटरेस्ट है कि नहीं. If a friend comes to me and say now I have become like blunt and but कोई दोस्त आके पूछता है यार मैं ऐसा कर रहा हूँ, तो आप उसको मोटिवेट करोगे कि डिमोटिवेट करोगे? मोटिवेट ही करोगे, यार कर मैं तेरे साथ हूँ, कुछ हो तो बताना.
Okay.
पर लेने का जब आएगा तब बोलेगा यार मेरे को जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay. Now consider.
A friend comes and say मैं फोटोग्राफी स्टूडियो चालू कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं कर यार बहुत अच्छा है, इंडस्ट्री आगे जाएगा. तो मुझे बोलेगा नचिकेत यार तू आके ऐसा शूट करवा दे. यार मैं कहाँ शूट करवाऊंगा, मेरे को इंटरेस्ट. That's how it happens. So you need people, you need real validation. So there are books written about it. See, one thing I'll tell you, execution is everything, action is everything. People just don't take action and don't execute. So they just think and read. अभी क्या हो गया है, even with me, so much information and knowledge is out. आप 80% समझने में लगा देते हो, एक्शन 20% भी नहीं लेते हो. It used to be 90% action because you did not have learning. So this is I think it's my theory, and it could be right or wrong. But पहले क्या था, मेरे पास 2 ही वीडियो है या 2 ही बुक है, अभी उसको मुझे कुछ भी करके सोल्यूशन करना था. आप भी यू कैन रिलेट कि देयर आर ओनली बेसिक्स यू नो. तो आपके पास आप ट्रायल करके क्रिएटिविटी बनाते थे. अभी क्या हो गया कि सब ट्रिक्स टिप्स डॉक्यूमेंट हो गई है. तो अब आप 100 देखते हो, उसमें से मैं ये वाला करूंगा और फिर वही करते हो. तो जो प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए वो नहीं होता है. सो पीपल स्टॉप डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ एक्शन, दे आर स्टार्ट डूइंग लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च, रीडिंग. एंड वीडियो ने और इजी बना दिया है. पढ़ने में तो पहले एफर्ट लगता था, वीडियो में तो आए बैठे हैं देख रहे हैं 3 घंटे तक लर्निंग. अभी 3 घंटे का एक्चुअल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इज 20 आवर्स. वी आर नॉट स्पेंडिंग दैट 20 आवर्स. आई एम नॉट स्पेंडिंग दैट 20 आवर्स. मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये हो रहा है कि 1 घंटे का नॉलेज सेशन मैंने पढ़ा, उसके सामने में आधा घंटे का मैं एग्जीक्यूशन कर रहा हूँ. इट यूज टू बी कि मेरे पास एक पेपर का बुक होता था, प्रिंट आउट, अ डॉक्यूमेंट और अ बुक. आई टेक अ वीक टू लर्न एंड इम्प्लीमेंट दैट. सो द होल थिंग हैज फ्लिप्ड.
Because too many things.
Too many information is there. Too much information, ease of information consumption. तो एफर्ट ही गायब हो रहे हैं लोगों के माइंडसेट से. एफर्ट करने में पहले मैं तो यूट्यूब वीडियो देखूंगा, फिर मैं प्लान बनाऊंगा, फिर मैं प्लान का स्टेप 1 एग्जीक्यूट करूंगा, फिर सोचने में आऊंगा कि यार ये स्टेप 1 तो सही नहीं है. वापस से मैं वीडियो देखूंगा, वापस से नया प्लान बनाऊंगा,
और वो स्टेप 1 फिर चला ही जाता है because you leave the 10.
Who told me, a very good person in my network, I forgot who told me, he was saying मैंने यार अभी नॉलेज कंजम्पशन बंद कर दिया है, जो कर रहा हूँ ना मैं अभी एग्जीक्यूशन पे फोकस कर रहा हूँ. नो मोर लर्निंग, भले ही वर्ल्ड आगे चला जाए मैं यहीं पे अभी एग्जीक्यूशन करूंगा, क्योंकि एवरी डे दे आर सीइंग न्यू थिंग. तो बोले यार हम तो पीछे रह गए, वो नया करने जाओ. तो स्टार्टअप का अभी अपने वहाँ ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, एग्जीक्यूशन इज सब ऑप्टिमल. तो भाई एग्जीक्यूशन करने के लिए भूल जाओ नया आया है, लगो. Which traditional businesses does really well. The new startup problem has happened कि यार young chaps पूरा वर्ल्ड ज्ञान है, सब देख रहे हैं, एग्जीक्यूशन नहीं का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है,
और वहां पर ही स्टक हो जाते हैं. एग्जीक्यूशन इज अ मस्ट. इनफैक्ट दिस इज सो ट्रू. आई कंप्लीटली बिलीव इन कर लो, प्रोग्रेस करते रहो और परफेक्शन, पता नहीं मेरे को लगता है परफेक्शन जैसा इल्यूजन ही होता नहीं है. विद प्रोग्रेस ओनली यू लर्न. बट matlab, to be honest, I don't know whether I should be so open about things or not, but it's okay. It's all about unfiltered truth, which
I
is
mean,
there.
you can always
So,
filter, edit
no,
it.
no, no, no.
if you
I
want.
see whatever you, the way you said, right? कि अंदर से अगर तुम है ना मतलब जो आप जस्टिस प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहे हो तो आपको आगे कंटिन्यू करने का की इच्छा नहीं होती है. तो सिमिलर थिंग विद मी, लाइक यू नो, इफ आई एम नॉट, the name is unfiltered, the name is this, so if I'm not giving justice to that, so I really want to open up with one of the problem, and maybe, like, you know, a beautiful advice I'll get it from you is, when I started, services shared nahi thi and all those things, or there were multiple companies, because being a tech leader and that too into sales and Microsoft, so many connects, तो बहुत सारी companies, vendors and all started approaching me to be a CSP, a certified sales professional. वो लोग commission देंगे and all those things, मेरे को उनके लिए लाना है. But my heart was not ready. I was like, no, I'm in a different path altogether. But how to help the companies? Okay, so I came with strategic advisor, helping, obviously, with CBH Films also, helping companies brand ready, pitch ready, boardroom ready. Because सबसे ज़्यादा conversion ratio कहाँ पर नहीं होता है जब तुम्हारा narrative अच्छा नहीं होता है. बहुत सारे tech companies में ये वाला narration बहुत, like, you know, weak होता है, and लोगों को vision ही clear नहीं होता है अपना, like, you know, what is their vision, और वहाँ पर वो लोग आगे grow नहीं कर पाते. And I am very good with all these things, and I came to this when there were two companies were like ready to pay, but they wanted to hire me, but I was like, मैं hire नहीं, but this is how I'm going to help, because of XYZ reasons, because of the wars which are happening, because of, you know, the situation is getting worse and all those things. Verbally they communicated, and then they were like, later, after 2-3 months. Now I am ready with everything. Now I am stuck with, like, you know, I watch a lot of things about you know, Chris Do, Brian and all, कि किस तरह से organically generate करने का, and what is the thing. So I'm going to talk about what expertise I have. But how do you get your first customer? आपने ये बोला था token ले लो, consider, या तो फिर interested हो, consider interested है, 100% इंटरेस्टेड है, पूरी सर्विसेज का बना
तो
दिया है
token दे
business.
देंगे ना.
हाँ, टोकन फिर नहीं दिया, वर्बली
interested नहीं
हाँ
है.
एग्जैक्ट, तो ये पता नहीं था ना.
कमिटेड नहीं है, इंटरेस्टेड है, कमिटेड नहीं है.
कमिटेड नहीं थे, और
So
उसके
need to
बाद
get the
पता चला कि
commitment.
कमिटमेंट नहीं मिलेगी नेक्स्ट 2 months तक. सो इन दिस सिनेरियो, इफ यू वर
See,
देयर,
मेरा तो सिंपल है, जब
आप
तक
होते तो
मनी
क्या
इन द
करते?
बैंक नहीं है तब तक वो क्लाइंट नहीं है.
हाँ, तो अब आप मेरे को ये बताओ कि आपने भरोसे पे ये किया, और अच्छे से आपका जा भी रहा है, बाकी सब चीजें.
So why you have only 2
अभी
leads,
I won't say 2 leads, I would say
2 engagements or discussions?
क्योंकि आइडिया ही मेरे को 1-2 महीने पहले मैंने
टाइम
डिसाइड
है ना
किया.
अभी, तो क्यों अभी बोल रहे हो? Take 6 months, you have to dig deep for 6 months.
हाँ, to generate that inbound lead. Okay.
So refinement first. I would say I would not finalize exact what I am selling now after
हाँ.
learning. पहले से डिफाइन कर दोगे तो आप स्टक हो जाओगे.
Okay.
So keep it little fluid. Then you talk to as many people as you can. Try to get 2-3 people. भले ही थोड़ा आपके विजन प्रोडक्ट के थोड़े इधर उधर का हो, बट ले, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस एंड reps, वो बोलते हैं ना, the more reps you do, the more understanding you will have कि क्या चलेगा.
Okay.
तो अभी आपने प्रोडक्ट डिफाइन कर दिया जो आपने कभी नहीं बेचा है, नहीं कभी बनाया है, तो
मतलब इनडायरेक्टली
यू हैव टू रिफाइन योर
किया है.
प्रोडक्ट.
हाँ, जो मैंने किया है
उसको
वही
आपने
मैं बेच रही हूँ.
प्रोडक्टाइज किया
हाँ,
कि मैं ऐसे ऐसे आपको सर्विस.
हाँ, this is my, हाँ,
सर प्रोडक्टाइज
this is what
सर्विस.
I'm as a
प्रोडक्टाइज
हाँ,
सर्विस मींस कि सर्विस फिक्स है, ऐसे ऐसे आप करोगे.
हाँ, and the value is going to be 360-degree transformation. I'm so confident about it.
वो सब जो बेचते हैं उन सब बोलते हैं, तो कॉन्फिडेंस तो नहीं होगा तो बेचेंगे ही नहीं. तो वो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है. पॉइंट इज नाउ that service may not fit this audience. You don't know because you have never executed this service with that particular audience. You have experience, no doubt about it. You will be able to help, no doubt about it. But whether this company needs this size of company, वो आप ट्रायल से ही पता चलेगा. तो पॉइंट ये है कि डिफाइन करने से पहले ये एरिया में उनको क्या हेल्प चाहिए, फिगर इट आउट. डू 2-3, भले ही वो एग्जैक्ट सर्विस ना हो, आजू बाजू का करना पड़े, बट जैसे ही 2-3 करोगे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि मुझे अभी यही बेचना है.
Got it.
So and then 1 महीना 1.5 महीना बहुत शॉर्ट टाइम है आपको वैलिडेशन करने के लिए. 6 महीना तो आपको डट के लगना पड़ेगा. Then you can say whether it is rejected or not rejected, you know, whether it's helpful or not.
ओके, ये वाली चीजें सारी डिस्कस होती है टाइम में?
हाँ हाँ,
तो फिर तो मैं तुरंत ज्वाइन कर
TIE
रही हूँ।
TIE associate member become, because TIE is a community where lot of entrepreneurs are ready to help
हाँ,
लेने वाले नहीं है,
ओके,
उल्टा है, एंड इट इज ट्रू एवरीवेयर. आज मैं 10 मेरे से 5x, आई टेल यू, मुझे एक बिजनेस में स्ट्रक्चर करना था. पुणे टाई के 3 मेंबर्स थे जो 3x और 5x बिगर कंपनी देन मी. आई आस्क माय हियर टाई लीड कि यार मुझे इन तीनों से कनेक्ट करवाओ. मैंने तीनों का नंबर भेजा, तीनों को मैंने मैसेज किया कि आई एम नचिकेत, आई हैव बीन टू टाई पुणे इवेंट, एक बार गया था, and then I want your advice on these decisions. हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम, व्हेन वी जंप ऑन द कॉल. तीनों से मेरा बात आधा तक पौना घंटा मेरे साथ निकाला, गाइड किया. वन गाय जेंटलमैन फॉलोड अप, नचिकेत इम्प्लीमेंट किया तुमने जो एडवाइस दिया था वो. सो दे आर रेडी. एंड इफ समबडी कम्स टू मी एंड से आई वांट टू फिगर आउट द टेक कैसे करना है, मैं ना नहीं बोलने वाला. मतलब आओ सैटरडे आना पड़ेगा, मिलते हैं 1 घंटा, आई विल हेल्प यू. पूछने वाला चाहिए ना, पूछने वाला ही नहीं. फॉलो अप नहीं, जिसको हेल्प चाहिए वो
आके पूछे हेल्प के लिए, और
वही
इटरेटिवली
एग्जीक्यूशन ही नहीं है किसी, कम है. आई वुडंट से नहीं है.
ओके,
दैट्स द रियलिटी ऑफ द चैलेंज के यू वांट टू डू दिस, यू हैव एक्सेस टू टुडेज वर्ल्ड. एवरीबॉडी, आपको किससे बात करना है उसको 2 कनेक्ट जाके आप करोगे तो वो आपके लिए रेडी है. whether you want that advice or not is one, you need to know the challenge, and third you have to ask.
got it, perfect, that is beautiful. Okay. That's a good info, I thought. Anyway, let's switch to another topic, which is I would rather go with another topic, which is on the AI part. How Gen AI, if you would have seen, like, you know, GPT and so many tools of AI, which is creating a lot of revolution in the society, in the ecosystem. How you are leveraging that, plus let's talk about how you're leveraging it right now in your solutions.
Few things I think I'm good at. You know, you have a gut feeling about. I know I'm not good at follow-ups and detail execution. No, I'm a little bit happy-go-lucky guy, which will make emotional decisions. Sometimes I take a lot sooner than others. But I have certain strength. I know when industry shifts are happening. When I see a new technology or new thing, which I get a feeling now this is gonna really impact the world in many ways. So I can put solution thinking or a. So AI, I realized 3 years back that this is gonna change the industry.
Oh, okay.
So I started AI department 3 years back in my company, and I, as a special, so one thing we do really well is we have ownership. So core team हमारी जो है, everybody has clear ownership, and if I need to do something I have to ask them, यार मैं करूँ. I took a permission of my very close friend, school friend, जो हमारा head of engineering भी है.
Okay.
यार I want to do this AI department, but I want to run it, like I want to work directly. क्योंकि मुझे by that scaling कैसे होता है, I've given ownerships and 100% responsibility to people. तो आज मेरी कंपनी में भी मुझे कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम चाहिए तो आई हैव टू बुक, आई हैव टू फॉलो. इफ आई नीड टू, मेरे पास पूरी कंपनी का एक्सेस भी नहीं है. एवरी डिपार्टमेंट हैज देयर ओन डेटा एक्सेस. आई नीड दैट, आई नीड टू फॉलो द SOP, आस्क देम कैन आई हैव दिस एक्सेस, एंड दे विल आस्क क्यों चाहिए आपको, व्हाट इज द पर्पस, एंड दे हैव दैट फ्रीडम एंड ओनरशिप. तभी आप स्केल कर पाओगे. इफ यू से नहीं मैं तो बॉस हूँ, ये तो मेरा है, सब लोग मुझे क्यों पूछेंगे, ऐसा माइंडसेट हुआ तो that's where the mindset scaling happens. You need that ownership. You have to give that ownership and respect that. So AI department I started 3 years back, and I made sure that directly report to me for a time being, because I was doing research and R&D के हो क्या रहा है ये वर्ल्ड में, क्योंकि मुझे समझ में नहीं आएगा तो मैं, हाँ, that is what also I practice के I need to understand hands on होगा तो मैं विजन सोच पाऊंगा. Once I am able to think, then I can.
The entire team can train.
Not entire. They'll also have to learn. But प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि एंटरप्रेन्योर्स और यार मेरा फाइनेंस ऐसा बोलते हैं, मैं तो फाइनेंस नहीं पता, मुझे नहीं आता, ये तो ये कर रहा है. As an entrepreneur, you have to be jack of everything. You have to understand finance, you have to understand marketing, you have to understand sales, you have to understand technology. There is no department or a field you cannot know. You have to be jack of all. At least you have to be understand. You may not be able to execute, बट अभी कोई बोलेगा एंटरप्रेन्योर कि यार जीएसटी का कैलकुलेशन मेरे समझ में नहीं आता है, बिलिंग कैसे करे, नहीं चलेगा. यू हैव टू नो कि क्या, व्हेन, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली मेकिंग द डील नेगोशिएशन, यू हैव टू बैक ऑफ द माइंड कैलकुलेशन होगा, यार मेरा क्या है कैश फ्लो, क्या मैं डिसीजन ले सकता हूँ. इफ यू आर नॉट इक्विप योर सेल्फ, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू. सो AI I started learning, I started implementing. Now I am at a stage where I can, a problem comes, I can see a problem, I can see AI से होगा, इतना एफर्ट लगेगा, ऐसे हो सकता है, ऐसे पॉसिबल है, ये तो बहुत बड़ा रिसर्च हो जाएगा. I can just think like that now.
Okay.
Why? Because I started 3 years back from ground up. I hired a PhD expert from SVNIT actually, joined. We did 1 year of research, built a team. Now we have a good AI team. We are doing 5-6 projects on AI right now. It's changing everything. Like, I don't know how to explain this. पहले जितने भी टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट थे वो सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी के यूजेज को जीरो कर रहे थे. मीनिंग पहले आपका अकाउंटिंग का सॉफ्टवेयर आया तो अकाउंटेंट का काम अकाउंटिंग का सॉफ्टवेयर ज्यादा कर दिया. AI इज ईटिंग दैट रोल इटसेल्फ. तो पहले वो 5,000 रुपए को इम्पैक्ट कर रहा था क्योंकि अकाउंटेंट का 5,000 10 आवर्स ज्यादा था. अभी अगर 50,000 का अकाउंटेंट को पूरे अकाउंटेंट को रिप्लेस कर रहा है. सो द टैम बोलते ना, दैट हैज बिकम सो हाई. इट्स नॉट IT टैम, इट्स अ रोल्स टैम. लाइक एनीवे, so the way it is changing everything, so development itself is getting impacted. So we are right now figured out all the places and we have done prototypes, POC के coding AI कैसे करेगा, design AI कैसे कर रहा है. We have already designers all use AI. You guys know audio, video, image generation is next level. तो उसको हम कैसे start to end पूरा AI first execution कर सके. So developers is at the place where there 80% or 90% of work AI will do, ऐसा हो ही जाने वाला है. So I don't know, like the biggest thing I need to figure out is how we transition into that world. That world is changing.
Oh, it is a big,
big Satya Nadella said 30-40% something like that of code is written by AI in Microsoft. They have 60%.
Oh, he is an AI enthusiast, like,
So the way things are changing, it's gonna be very different. So the thought process is now nobody wants to hire people. Everybody wants कि यार ये 2 लोगों का काम बड़ा है वो मैं AI से कर लूँ, क्योंकि 60% वो कर रहा है तो हम 10% तो कर ही सकते हैं.
बट वो 10% तब होगा या 60% मतलब जब उसको यूज करने आना चाहिए. Like, it can give you such amazing results, but if you know how to use it in a proper way.
What I see is lot of services company coming out of it, which says भाई आपके वहाँ आके मैं AI करके आपको सेटअप कर देता हूँ. अभी आपको CCTV लगाना नहीं आता है, मुझे भी नहीं आता है. We don't know how our CCTV software works. वो सेटअप करके लॉगिन दे के जाएगा, ये स्क्रीन में चलो, ये इसमें चलो, कुछ भी होता है मुझे बुलाओ. So services company, there are a lot of AI services company on everything. Marketing AI, infrastructure AI, everything.
जब मैं थी Microsoft में और तब मैं जब AI, like, cause it is all about architecting and all those things, like, the art of selling, I would say, or helping. So GenAI, being Microsoft being the investor also in that and partner with OpenAI, we used to put GenAI in almost every architecture. It was needed, and I used to explain them the core of it. But the real usage, I started in the 6 months, like, when you're, and then I got to know that even for your smallest of the smallest things and the big complex, for the internal operations also you can use AI and it can do magic, but you should know how to use AI. The pitch decks you can create, but the way you are training the model and all those things.
Those are advanced use cases. मेरा है जो वो नहीं होता है गूगल वाला point of view. Google search, how you use it matters. Forget AI. Google search था, ठीक है. काफी लोगों को Google search सही से use करना नहीं आता था. You can do filters. You can actually. So my habit was I would use Google search for everything, ठीक है. And people say यार नहीं मिला मुझे. I would go and I would search
your
on Google and जैसे देखो यार मिल तो रहा है. Whether it's an answer, whether it's a problem, whether they are trying to find some references or companies. So that's what it is. Like ChatGPT is 10 times more powerful, 100 times more things you can do with LLMs than a search. इस सर्च का फंक्शन एक है, इसका क्या है, यू कैन डू अ लॉट. सो हाँ, पहले वो तो यूज करना लोग चालू करे. सो नाउ माय डिफॉल्ट इज जेमिनी. एनीथिंग आई वांट टू डू आई गो टू जेमिनी.
Okay.
I use it for as simple as Akira's my daughter's. I'm helping her do homework. मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्योंकि I studied in Gujarati medium.
हाँ.
So I don't know the certain mathematical terms or anything. I would take a picture and ask ChatGPT to answer, and then I would teach her. Okay.
Yeah,
so I have to, as simple as that. Even recently, there was one sign on one of the devices, like electronics devices. यार ये कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं है. I took, what is it? It's a default thing for me. In car, if I need to, somebody said, like. A new term. There was this recently Monte Carlo experiment or Monte Carlo something was there. But now I don't know that term. I want to know more. अभी कार में जाऊँगा ना तो I'll put Gemini on voice mode and say, can you explain this to me? And we'll just have a conversation while driving. So that's my habit now. But that's what people start. वो हो जाएगा. People who use this will be advanced. अभी भी गूगल नहीं यूज करके लोग जी तो रहे है. हाँ.
बट अगर तुम्हें
WhatsApp का कैसा हुआ?
हाँ,
तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
ऑप्शन नहीं है, करना पड़ेगा. एंड द मोर यू डू इट, द मोर यू लर्न. एंड
Absolutely.
So how do you see AI in the future? Like, what is
one of the session I said, see, the way I see it is very drastic, progressive, because I live in that world for last 12-15 years of technology. I see there will, like, physical robots will be there for sure. They're already there. But what could happen with them in future? So I see, and in a joking way, there will be a news of a robot killing a human. There will be a news of robot killing a robot. There will be things like robot बच्चे पे गिर गया, बेचारे को लग गया. It will be weird. There will be,
and which is quite possible.
It's gonna be there. Like car, autonomous car आई तो एक्सीडेंट हुए, लोग मरे. बट it takes humanity to different level, right? So AI में अदर चीज मैं बोलता हूँ, अभी हम जो काफी के, अब क्या हो रहा है, I write 2 lines and I say expand with AI. Then दूसरे जिसको भेजा है वो एक्सपांशन को लेके बोल रहा है इसको समराइज करके दो. तो आपको बोलना है 2 लाइन, उसको बोलना है 2 लाइन. यहाँ से आप 10 लाइन बना रहे हो, 10 लाइन जाती है, वो 10 लाइन का 2 लाइन वापस से करता है, पढ़ता है. That's what is happening in the world. क्योंकि अभी मेल इतने लंबे लंबे आने लगे हैं, तो अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ समराइज करके लिए क्या लिख रहा है और वो उसने लिखा हुआ है AI से.
ये होता है मतलब this is like so relatable.
The other thing I was saying, voice AI, right? There will be negotiation AI. We are discussing an idea about, hey, what if we build a negotiation AI? जो negotiation करेगा with all the knowledge of psychology and tone of voice और tone पे से के भाई बोले यार तो सामने वाला भी negotiation AI use करेगा. So we'll have 2 negotiation AI negotiating on your behalf. The better negotiation AI will win.
But who is creating that negotiation agent? That is again a human brain, right? Who will be training?
Absolutely.
How you are training
even,
that, and that is
even negotiation AI human will be training. The point is, this all is possible and going to happen because negotiation is a skill which requires practice and learning, and you can train an AI because now AI can have a voice. So होने ही वाला है. There is no question. The other blog I wrote about was, from picture now videos are created. from black and white picture, a really good picture is getting created. I thought of, what if for your loved one who are deceased, you give their videos, photos, voice to AI, and then you have a digital avatar of that loved one who can be, better than, like, पहले क्या था, पहले हैंड ड्राइंग थे कि ये मेरे दादाजी है, फिर कैमरा आया तो फोटो आए, फिर वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग आया तो रिकॉर्डिंग आया, फिर वीडियो आया तो अपने पास वीडियोस है. What is next? It's a digital avatar. So you give all that. So I kind of imagine a startup which allows you to take your
And
last year
data.
data and give you a digital avatar of your loved one.
Oh.
Then another thought was like, if you're alive and you want to do that, you can actually record things and give secrets to AI. कि ये ऐसी स्टोरीज है ना, मैंने किसी को नहीं बताई है, बट वंस आई एम गॉन फॉर माय फैमिली, दिस आर द स्टोरीज. So you'll have a Harry Potter wala wo photo frame में नहीं था. That it's very well possible. Like just somebody has to do it.
Any crazy idea with Gen AI is possible. In fact,
But think of a value of negotiation AI. आप बोल रहे हो ना कि 25,000 में बेच रहा हूँ, वो जाके 1 लाख में बेच के आएगा, क्योंकि सबको कंफर्ट नहीं होता है क्या बोलूँ, कैसे रेस करूँ. Already there. ठीक है ना.
And when they were testing, they were putting AI versus AI, and like करो negotiation. Now who wins is जो AI को use मतलब
How you prompted it, what kind of parameters you have given. So it's still human. It's still human. But the techniques and tricks you don't have to do. तो जो था कि भाई मुझे बोलना अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा है, is gone. I can give the parameters कि यार मैं इतने में मेरे को चलेगा, इससे ऊपर तू मत जाना, ऐसे नीचे मत जाना, और ऊपर तू यहाँ तक जाएगा तो इश्यू नहीं है. दिस इज योर पैरामीटर्स, नाउ यू गो एंड फाइट.
मुझे तो लगता है कि जो लोग टेक में है ना, जिन लोगों को, इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स, टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं देखती हूँ ना कि दे आर वरीड अबाउट जॉब नहीं मिल रही है एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. मेरे को लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा अगर उनको GPT यूज करना अच्छे से आया या करे ना, तो इट इज ऑल अबाउट दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप. मतलब दिस इज
डेफिनेटली AI has lot of scope. I do only sorry, the tech engineers have a lot of scope, but the point is they need to switch their mindset from. I think that's the only thing.
switching the mindset
because
is a
सबसे
major
बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, वो बोल रहे हैं यार ये मेरा जॉब लेगा. अरे वो सोचो ना कि if you learn how to build that, and you can do a lot more with that. Anyway,
but I would say it was a beautiful podcast with a lot of knowledge in a lot of different ways, knowing about the community, knowing about your thought process, about how it all started, about your ideology, your mindset, about the energy, intention, what you have, the intention on all those things. And on top of it, your way of leading is all about understanding the jack of all. And I believe that is such an important thing, to have a jack of all knowledge in terms of entrepreneurship and how one can start being an entrepreneur and the strategies and all those things behind it. So thank you so much, Nachiket, in terms of helping me out with this podcast, being so open about a lot of things. And this is going to definitely help so many founders who are in the growing stage, and so many students who are evolving and trying to figure out about the jobs and everything. And also maybe a lot of the giant company peoples who are in search of good partners or vendors who really want to build something. So I hope this helps everyone. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for considering me for your podcast. And my thought process is, like I said, very simple. If I can help, happy to help. If it helps you, help people, why not?